Why you should use Ultimate Multi-Login and Anti-Detect Marketers browser. If you think you just need a single web browser, think again. We recommend using multiple web browsers on your computer, especially if you work and perform personal tasks on the same system. Our actions and decisions today will shape the way we will be living in the future. Here's why you should consider adding another web browser to your daily rotation. Logii Multi-Purpose Browser, a must-have marketing web browser for intelligent marketers. For more information on the Ultimate Multi-Purpose Browser, a must-have browser for intelligent marketers, please click on the links below in the description section to learn more. Separate work and personal tasks. Using multiple web browsers will make it simple to separate different types of tasks from others. For example, if you work from home, you've probably logged into all your work-related websites and have bookmarks set up to all the necessary services you have to keep track of. In many cases, you may have separate accounts for work and personal tasks. For example, your job may give you a Google Workspace account, and you may also have a personal Gmail address. Rather than constantly switching back and forth between Google accounts in the same browser window, you can simply have a work browser and a personal browser. Each would stay signed into the appropriate account. As a bonus, this will make it easier to turn work off after business hours and easier to keep personal distractions at bay when it's time to work. How it works. Easily log in to multiple accounts on the same site at the same time. Log in from any country by combining commercial proxies. Don't let web giants like Facebook, Twitter, and others ban you and kill your business. Run ads from multiple ad accounts without getting banned. Each account is in a totally different space and is not connected with any other account. Saves time as any monotonous work can be automated. Operate multiple media accounts simultaneously, collaborate as a team and increase efficiency. Offers an easy-to-understand interface for both professionals and first-time users. Similar alternatives cost $90 a month or more, but you can have Logii at 90% discount. Anti-fingerprint features. Facebook and Google won't know it's traffic from the same source. It's easy to switch between them. This can help you identify which browser is which, so you can easily keep them separated. The benefits are clear. If you do a lot of different things on your computer, the benefits of this approach should be obvious. You can keep certain types of browsing activity isolated from other types of browsing activity, stay signed into different sets of accounts in different contexts, and just generally configure each browser to work best for the task you'll be using it for. If you aren't sold, however, that's fine. Perhaps this trick isn't for you. But, especially if you work from home on your Windows PC or Mac, we think it's worth a shot. It may sound strange at first, but using multiple web browsers can help make your life simpler. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for future videos.